Hey everyone, today we will see how to import data to R, and since it is 2023, we will be using ChatGTP 4 to debug the thing. So we want to do something very simple initially. We have this file example underscore comma CSV that it has just 4 rows. One is the header, and we have 3 columns, each one separated by a comma. So we want to upload this file, and what we want to do is use this read.csv function and put the data in this variable data underscore comma. So we go ahead. It should run easily, but we run into a problem. So here is our data set, and as you can see, it has the header and the 3 rows. That's 3 rows, but only 1 column, and the column don't seem to be separated by the commas. So we will ask ChatGTP what to do about it. So we go here and we'll say, hello there, I'm having an issue uploading a CSV file using the R function read.csv2. It seems that there is only 1 column and no separation based on comma. Do you have any suggestions on how I can resolve this? Thank you. So let's see what ChatGTP has to say. It says like, my review to the column separator. By default, read CSV uses a semicolon as a column separator. If your CSV file uses commas, you should use the read CSV alone function. Alternatively, if you still want to use the read.csv, you can specify a separator manually. This is the thing that is suggesting to add. And you should properly import your CSV. So let's try that. Let's add this line there. We will run the code. And lo and behold, we do have now the 3 columns with the 3 rows and the header. See an example where we remove here the header and we try to load the data in the same way as we did before. And as you expect, what will happen is that the first row is used as a header, but this is not what we want. We want just all the rows to be a row and have some generic header. So we will ask how to do this ChatGTP. So it's like, how should I load a file that doesn't have a header? And let's see what it has to say. So if your CSV file doesn't have a header, you can use the header argument in the read CSV or read CSV2 functions and set it to false. And then we'll get this generic column names B1, B2, B3. So let's try that. Yeah, read this. And we launch the script, and we have now all of the rows as rows and these generic headers over there. Now let's see what happens when our script and our data files are in different directories. So here I rearrange a little bit the subdirectories. This is where we have our file that is inside this script folder. And if we go one directory up, we have scripts and data. And in this data directory is where we have this sample underscore comma CVS file that we have been using. So if we go to the script and we launch it as it is, we get this error, cannot open connection. And this is because this file cannot be found within this script folder where we are working at the moment. So let's ask ChatGTP what to do in this case. So here I will ask, my script is in the folder project, but not named here, subfolder script, and my data is in the project data subfolder. How do I load the data? So we send that, and ChatGTP starts saying to load your data file from the project data folder. While your script is located in the project script folder, you can use a relative path to specify the location of your data file. In this case, the relative path would be // and your fun CVS. And here is an example. And okay, gives an example for read CSV and also for read CSV2, which are essentially the same. And it says, remember to replace your file CSV with the actual name of your CSV file. In our case would be the example underscore comma CSV, and adjust the step argument if your file uses different columns separate, as we did before. So that shouldn't be a problem. So what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and write dot slash data slash an example. And this would work, but let me show you something that I like to use. And this is something that ChatGTP didn't suggest. We can navigate the directory by pressing the tab key. So for example, here if I do dot slash and I press the tab key, it will show me the directories that are 1 3 above where I'm in the moment. So I'm currently in scripts. If I do the dot and then I press tab, it gives me these 2 directories corresponding to the directories present in the load data. So I can go ahead and do tab here, and we want to select the data, and within the data we have only the example underscore comma CSV, so that's what is writing, but we already have it written here, so there's no need for duplication. So now we should be good to go, and we launch the script, and now yes, it's loaded, and we have our V1, V2, V3 generic columns and the 3 rows.